Okay guys, I made some new thank you cards for my Etsy shop. They're really cute. I put them on the screen up here, over there, somewhere. And I don't have any orders today. Well, I got a finished one from the other day. I never showed those, so maybe I'll show you those because I had to order some more shirts. And I was looking, so my scissors still on outside of the room, so I'll just rip the bag open. But I needed some additional shirts, so I ordered some pink ones for breast cancer awareness, and which I ordered these two colors, the bright pink and the regular pink, because I thought they would just look good for the breast cancer awareness, because I had black and some pink, and then they must have came from two different warehouses. I ordered them from the same place, but they're in two different bags, so they must have came from two different warehouses because it's the same shirts. And then I needed this color shirt for an order that I was doing. But I had some shirts for a wedding. Let me show you guys. And I had already finished them, and then they wanted one more for the mother of the bride. So they're in here, and they're really, really cute. I don't want to take it out the package because they're already packaged up. Because this is how I package my shirts in a little bag. But they're just the V-neck shirts. That's what they wanted. And then the ones that I ordered, these are V-neck as well. And they're cute. They're kind of thick. They're not real thin. Well, they're not thick, but they're not thin either. So these are the two colors that I'll be, the pink, the dark pink, and then the light pink, or light pink and dark pink are the two colors that I'll be, and black are the two colors that I'll be using in my Etsy shop for my breast cancer awareness shirt. So if you're interested in getting a breast cancer awareness shirt, if you or someone in your family has had breast cancer and you want to show support for them, or you want to get them a shirt, because I have a survivor shirt, and then I have a shirt for those that support the survivors. There are two different designs, but they have the same logo on them for the breast cancer ribbon. So, yeah. So that is it for today. As far as what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to finish this shirt. And then I'm going to, what else? Oh, I'm going to make some new designs for t-shirts. Well, finish up some designs. I was making some designs for the birthday month. So, birthday month, your birthday sign. And I think I put 4 of them up already on my Etsy shop. I'll link them here as well. I think it's over there. Up there? Up there? I don't know. I'll link it up there so you guys can see the picture of what they are. They just say Libra AF or Virgo AF, but you can get them in any other different color vinyls that I sell on my Etsy shop. So if you need a birthday shirt for somebody, you know, the holidays are coming up, so you can get someone, pick somebody up one of those. I'm also going to be doing some additional shirts for t-shirts for Halloween, and some additional Halloween stickers. I already have some Halloween stickers. I can't remember if I have Halloween shirts on my Etsy shop. I know I have them on my Spreadshirt shop, but I don't know if I have them on my Etsy shop or not. I can't remember. Probably not. I put a lot of my shirts more so on my Spreadshirt shop so that I don't have to make them myself, but the ones that I want to make, then I put them on my Etsy shop. And some I have on both places. But anyway, I have the link to both of them in the description box below. You can check that out as well. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to do a little bit of work and then go make this shirt. I got to pull it up. And shame that I don't know I hadn't done it yet, but I have not done that. So I'm going to pull up my design. Okay, let's see. So what I'm going to do is pull up my last thing. go. Okay, what I do is put everything where I think I want it to go, and then I send it to the client to make sure they like it, because this is different than what I had. So, oops, change it to mother to right, and then I need to save this to my t-shirts. Save it as a PNG file, and then I always make it 300 DPI. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I make it 300 DPI, and then I save it. And then what I do, so on my iPad, I already have it set up on my iPad where I was sending her design logos. So what I need to do is actually create another one. Seven. Edit text. Change that to 7. And then we get out of it. We turn 6 off and we just have 7. Then we go and turn that image off. We'll bring the new image in. Add, insert a file on t-shirts. Mother of the bride. It's not the right color, but that's okay. And now just put it on a shirt where you think you want it to go. And I probably might move that somewhere else, but I'm just going to send it and ask them whether they want the ring. They may not want it on there at all, but so I go over here, I do share, and I save that to JPEG, and then I just save it to my images, and that's pretty much it. Then I just email it to my client. So that is it for that. So anyways, once I get approval back, then I send it back. So alright, that is it for my video for the week, today. I don't know how many days I have in this video, but it's going to be long, so I got a bunch to edit, and I don't like doing that, so I prefer to just do one day and not multiple days, but whatever. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoy the studio vlog. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. I'll leave links to everything that I can below in the description box, so check there first if you have any questions. If there is not, then let me know, and then I'll answer your questions. Or check up here in the iCards, wherever they are, up here, for some additional videos. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.